In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inquire about a refund on TradingView through their chat assistant. This process is simple, and I'll guide you step by step to ensure a smooth experience. Starting off, you'll need to log into your TradingView account. Open your preferred web browser and type in the TradingView URL. If you're already a member, enter your username and password. Should you not remember your login credentials, there are options available to reset your password or recover your account details. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the TradingView homepage, where all the familiar charts and tools are available at your fingertips. Next, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice an icon that says Chat Assistant. This is your portal to accessing customer support and handling various queries, including refund requests. Click on it to open up the chat interface. This feature is designed to assist you with a range of issues and can provide instant support, sparing you the wait time typically associated with email inquiries. After clicking on the chat assistant, you'll want to input your request for a refund. You can start by saying something like, "Hello, I would like to inquire about a refund for my recent purchase." Be sure to include any pertinent information such as the date of the transaction or the subscription details, as this will help the support team process your request more efficiently. The chat assistant might ask you for additional information to verify your account or the transaction. It's helpful to have your payment details or account information readily available so you can provide any required information without delay. While communicating, keep your responses clear and polite. Depending on the nature of your request, the chat assistant might direct you to a customer service representative for further assistance or provide you with a reference number for future follow-up. If you're given a ticket number, make sure to note it down for your records. This number can be a crucial point of reference should you need to revisit your refund inquiry. Additionally, if at any point you experience technical difficulties or the chat assistant isn't responding as expected, try refreshing the page or restarting your browser. These simple troubleshooting steps often resolve minor glitches. By following these steps closely, you should have successfully made your refund inquiry on TradingView. Remember to follow up if you do not receive a response within the expected time frame, and keep your communication courteous to ensure the best possible assistance. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you find the resolution you're seeking. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.